Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinomi application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinomi application on your iPhone, make sure to be connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and go and tap open your app store. In the search box at the top, type in Coinomi and perform your search. Tap the download button right next to the Coinomi wallet app and begin the downloading process. Coinomi is a security-first multi-chain wallet for both mobile and desktop. It provides native support and true ownership for more than 125 blockchains and thousands of tokens. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Coinomi wallet application for your iPhone. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.